Grammar quiz. Personal pronouns. Fill in the blanks using the correct personal pronoun. Blank is stood next to blank. Is it A, her and he, B, him and he, C, he and her, or D, he and him? The correct answer is D, he and him. Hey is stood next to him. Blank aren't listening to blank. Is it A, they and him, B, they and we, C, them and him, or D, they and he? The correct answer is A, they and him. They aren't listening to him. Blank are laughing at blank. Is it A, theys and you, B, us and you, C, we and you, or D, we and yous? The correct answer is C, we and you. We are laughing at you. Blank landed on top of blank. Is it A, me and it, B, he and he, C, he and she, or D, he and it? The correct answer is D, he and it. He landed on top of it. Blank punched blank in the face. Is it A, her and him, B, she and he, C, you and me, or D, you and I? The correct answer is C, you and me. You punched me in the face. Visit the website and subscribe to our channels for more grammar quizzes.